Hello class 8th student, it's a part 5 chapter 6 science forest our lifeline. Why we say forest our lifeline? We learned about the importance of forest in class 7th also, that forests are the wealth of our nation as they are required for each and every aspect in our daily life. That's why they're known as the lifeline. We need them in our daily life and use them in a various purposes. Let's understand with the help of this flowchart importance of forest. First, they provide products such as honey, species, gums and the resins. Okay, means forest provide us the honey, species, gums and the resins. Those all are useful for us. Second, they provide timber for the furniture, not for the furniture, for the fuel also, or other industries which use this wood as a raw material. So the wood is also provided by the forest. The third thing is that it helps in to control soil erosion. What is soil erosion? We know this thing, that soil having a topmost layer which is very fertile, and while we grow most of the trees or the plant, so the soil particles are bounded with the help of the roots of that plants. So in this way the plants are helped to bound up the soil particles, and it will be prevented by the destroying or go away with the high flow of the water and the air. So in this way forests help to control the soil erosion. Soil erosion basically the get away or the far away of the soil uppermost layer with the help of heavy flood or the heavy wind. So forests control this. The next thing is that the forests provide medicines also. We know this thing, most of the medicines made by the extract or the proper part of the plants. The next thing is that these forests also help in the formation of rain. We know this thing, that the water evaporates in the form of water droplets or the water vapors. We know this. So while the process of photosynthesis is done, we know this thing, that water is also formed, and the water transformed through with the help of the stomata. Okay, so as the moisture increase, as the plants is higher in the amount, so at that particular region moisture in the air will also be increases. This will help to formation of the rain or the clouds. We know this thing. So this is a way in which the forests are important to us. In so many ways we use the forest. That's why they also called the lifeline. Okay. Thank you class. We continue in the next video.